Do you want to know how to upload external images to your WordPress website? If yes, then watch this video till the end. To do this process, first of all, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. After that, you need to install a plugin which I am showing you in this tutorial. First of all, you need to go to plugins, click on add new. In the search bar, you can search the plugin and you need to install this plugin, auto upload images. So this is a very good plugin. I have already activated this plugin in my website, so I will just show you how it works. I will open a website and I will add an image on my website directly. So I will go to post. I can go to pages as well. It will work in pages as well. So let's go for post one. Add new post. Type anything in the title. I'm just typing test images, and I will go for any copyright free image now. So I will search a copyright free image. So let's open this website and get any image. Scroll down, just right click on this and click on copy image. I will go to my website and click on Ctrl V and paste the image here. Let me take one more image, this flower, copy the image and paste it on the site. Now you can right click over the image and see the URL is of same website from where I have taken the image. So the URL, you can see the URL of this website as well. It is not showing my URL. So whenever I publish this post, the URL will change and it will automatically get downloaded. Both of these images will get downloaded on my website. You can check now the URLs. After viewing the page, you can see the URL. Now it is uploaded on my website. You can see my website name over here. In the second image also you can see my website name. Let me open the second image. You can see. I hope now you will be able to do it, friends. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Bye bye friends, take care.